Hi everyone, this short video is to help you get set up with Audacity, which is the free screen recording software that we're going to use to record your autofiction memoir. We're using this one because it's free and it's really easy to use. It's my favorite screen recorder of all, and mainly because it allows you to download as an MP3, which then makes it really easy to put this in your Google Drive and then put it directly into a Google Slide for our Publishing Celebration Day. Because if you record with QuickTime or something, it gives an M4A file, which won't really go into a Google Slide. So this allows us to use an MP3. So you want to go to audacityteam.org. Do not go to audacity.com. That's a completely different site. So audacityteam.org. And once you're on the site, you want to find download and then select Mac. And then if you scroll down just slightly, you'll find Audacity 2.4.2 DMG file. So you want to click on that one. And then scroll down to select the Audacity Mac operating system DMG. And that will take just a minute to download. And then as soon as that download is complete, we can click on this to open. And once we open it, you'll see it begins to load. And it takes just a second. And then you'll get this window. And to finish the installation, it'll ask you to click on the Audacity icon and drag it here into the applications. Now, I get this pop-up that says that it already exists because I've already done this. You should not get this pop-up, but even if you do, just click Replace, and it will copy the files that it needs. And then once you hear that sound, you can close this. Now, my apps are over here on the left, so my Audacity shows up right here. You may not have yours on the left, but if you just go to your apps on your computer and you click on the Audacity icon, you should get this pop-up, which will allow you to record. And so let's see. Let me start a new recording. Let's go back here on my scroll, because you can see I've been sort of playing around with this. So let me go to a new recording. And so this is what it will look like the first time you open it. And simple record bar. So if we click on this, it will allow us to record our voice. And as long as you speak loudly, you can see that it's picking up what I'm saying. And then if you need to stop in the middle, you can. Let's say you read a portion of your memoir and there's some noise or interruption, or you sort of lose your place, you can stop, and then you can start recording again, and it will pick up exactly where you left off. So when you think you're finished, then you just click play. It will allow us to record our voice, and as long as you speak loudly, you can see that it's picking up what I'm saying. Recording again, and it will pick up exactly where you left. And see, it didn't really miss a beat there in the place where I stopped and then started again. So if I'm happy with that portion of my memoir recording, then I'm ready to save it. So I want to go up to File, but do not click on Save Project. That's if you have multiple files and you're creating a big audio packet, which we're not. You just want to go to Export. You want to export this as an MP3 and then rename it with Autofiction Memoir, and put your name in there. Now, I think it's simplest to let it go to your desktop because then you'll be able to find it easily. And you want to keep the file type as MP3. And then you want to save it. You don't really have to fill anything in here in the value, although you could. And then you say OK. And that's going to put it directly onto your desktop. And then I'm going to minimize these windows. Cancel that. And then in my Google Drive, I'm going to go into my drive, and I'm just going to put this directly into my main drive. If you have a certain folder you want to put it in for this class, you could do that too. And then you want to say New File Upload. And then you just need to be able to find your file. So I had it go to my desktop, and here is, let's see, Autofiction Memoir Mugatha MP3. So that's the one I just recorded. And when I tell that to open, then that will upload it directly into my Google Drive. And so then once you're ready to put this on a slide, you'll recognize these slides. It's a similar thing that we've done when we had you share your 1 or 2 pager and your page from my life poster. So on your slide, you would put your name in here, and then you would go to Insert, Audio, and then if you click on Recent, you'll see your most recent recording, or you can search by name, and once you find the one you want, you click Select, and it will put it directly onto your slide. And then you can move the icon on there wherever you want it to go. It will allow us to record our voice, and then it puts the play button directly onto your slide, and that will allow your classmates to listen to the portion of your memoir, and then they can comment on the slide to give you some feedback. So it's a simple way to get to Audacity, our recording software, at audacityteam.org. Download it onto your machine and then record your audio. And then you want to export that as an MP3 to your desktop and then load that into your Google Drive. Okay, so let us know if you have any questions, and good luck.